Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how you can use and how works the iTime function in the HAIER washer dryer. So by this button you can adjust the time and the level of the intensity washing to your needs. So if you're clicking on it, maybe not on this cycle, now you can choose that you want to make your washing or the drying cycle faster with the of course more energy consumption, or the slower with the more eco mode. So as you can see, we can switch the currently chosen program from the 157 to 117, and that's it. Thanks for watching. This was a like or comment, and goodbye.